Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Instagram account to TikTok. But before we begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime Music. I have a link to a 30-day free trial in my video description, so stick around until the end and I'll give you more details on that. But if you want to add the free trial, just click in my video description and you should see a link to it. All right, let's begin with TikTok. To link your Instagram account to TikTok, what you do is first open up TikTok and log in into it. Once you have logged in, if you look at the bottom right hand corner over here, you see this icon, click on that, and that will take you to your profile page, and it looks like this. Once you're here, click over here where it says edit profile. All right, it'll take you here. And if you see here in the bottom where it says add your Instagram account, click on that. And this will take you to the login page of Instagram. Once here, just go ahead and enter your username. I'll show you, let me see. I'll log in with my email. Just log in the way that you log into your Instagram account. Put in your password. Click on login. And then as you can see, it has connected my Instagram account to TikTok. But before you go anywhere, look on the upper right hand corner. You see over here where it says save. Make sure you click save, or otherwise the changes that you made will not take effect. So click on save. And there you go. That's how you can link your Instagram to TikTok. Now back to Amazon Prime for those of you who are interested. If you the Amazon Prime Music subscription offers unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs for just $99 per year. In addition to other benefits, you can instantly stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes, borrow books from the Kindle owner's lending library, and my absolutely favorite one is you get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. So like I said, I have a 30-day free trial link in my video description. If you want to try the Amazon Prime Music benefit for 30 days with no commitment, just click on the link below. And I'm betting that once you try it, you really like it because it has a lot of great benefits. All right. Thank you for watching. And make sure you give Amazon Prime a chance.